Hi, my name is Devin Poe for CIT 360, and I'm going to be explaining today use case diagrams. I already did a pretty good essay on it, but I thought I'd just go ahead and do the extra mile and give you a little presentation. So what are use case diagrams? Well, it's a diagram, obviously, but it has to do with dynamic or behavior actions. They model the functionality of a system using actors and use cases. So let's go into a little bit more detail about that. Use cases are a set of actions, services, and functions that the system needs to perform. In this context, a system is something being developed or operated, such as a website. So here's the next question. Why do we use them? What's the point of them? Well, making a use case diagram can help, especially visual learners, put their idea into paper and see how it'll work out. Oftentimes, if you can't draw it on paper or you're a computer program, then you can't program it. It helps keep people organized, especially when working in a team of programmers, and can help translate those ideas into design choices and developmental properties. They can also help identify any external or internal factors that could influence the system. Overall, they provide a good level of analysis from outside the system, and this means that while they don't necessarily show the details of how the functionality is implemented, they do a good job of specifying how the system interacts with the actors. So I got two use cases here we're going to take a look at real quick. And this is like, for example, this would be Canvas that we use, the whole program, and then it would have different functions inside of it that the actor, the student, can act with, such as view the schedule, add classes, drop class, in which case it would go to another person, which is the registrar, or like for in the example of attain help, it would do the same thing. It would go to another actor. Actors don't necessarily also have to be people, but for example, like, this one can be time, and its pay fee function interacts with the school account. Here's another one that's a little bit more complicated, but it's the same idea. It's a use case diagram for credit card processing. There's lots of different things that the customer is able to do here, and there's even an alternative path for the credit card rejection function, but like these two functions automatically will always access this other function, which is the calculate total. Now, the customer, like I said, it doesn't always have to be a person. It could be customer service, or it could be like shipping, which generally, I guess the two kind of entail people inside of them. But it's just saying here's another system that interacts with it in a different way with different functions, or interacts with the same functions in a different way, once again, from the back end instead of the front end. But yeah. Like I said, use case diagrams are basically just a diagram to help you kind of get your thoughts in order, and to help you, for example, if you were going to program this out, to split up into teams to get things working, and just helps keep you organized. Thank you so much for your time, and my name's been Devin Poe, as I said, and you have a great day.